Okay, so the 10th stage we call at-tadlih, disorder. When the heart is being destroyed from within, as we mentioned at number 9, at tabl, it is now turning against, it is bewildered such a state, such a station now that it wants to pursue with enmity, retaliate. It's in a state of vengeance to destroy. It basically turns against the heart. Uh, so it's being here destroyed from within at number 10 at Tadli, known as disorder. So Tadli, disorder, builds up from number 9. The heart is now being destroyed from within and begins to lose all sense of balance and reason and goes into a state of chaos and disorder. And as we mentioned, the word at-tadli, it comes from mudalla, being used to describe a human being unable to pay attention to anything. And therefore we call stage 10 at-tadli, disorder. And it's a state of complete distraction and perplexity, wandering to and fro without knowing the right course. So it's related to the verb idlaham, idlaham, from the root verb ifta'alla. So we have here idlaham, which means to be intensely dark, black, or by night. So we find here a sort of darkness and disorder in the stage of love, where there is such a consuming of the heart that it becomes destroyed from within, loses all sense of balance and reason, and is unable to pay any attention to anything else because of its state of complexion and distraction and perplexity, wandering to and fro. And here again, from this disorder, we reach to a most intense state of love called al-huyum.